Welcome to a special deep stretching session with Kary. Today we'll focus on opening the hips, lengthening the legs, and releasing tension in the lower body. Kary will gently guide you through each pose, helping you connect with your breath and body as you move. Every stretch is filmed in crisp 4K, so you can follow along with full clarity and precision. Relaxing music plays softly in the background to help set the mood and ease you deeper into your flow. For our Boosty supporters, we've included exclusive angles and bonus content. Don't forget to check the description. If you're enjoying these sessions, make sure to subscribe for more and stay connected for future updates. Now take a deep breath, settle into your mat, and let's stretch together with Kary.